Ro! Hi, pretty lady. Everyone, we have great news. Ro is a brand new mama to 10 beautiful fox red puppies. So these are very similar to the puppies that Penny had, but this is Ro, and the father actually is a lot darker than she is of a fox red color. So as you can see, we have some really light ones here, and then we also have some darker ones. Look how beautiful those are. They're like blonde. Are you a good girl? She's such a sweetheart. Alright, well, without further ado, I think it's time for some puppies to drink some milk. Who's hungry? You're hungry. Come on. Excuse me, bro. Go to mama. Come on, guys. There you go, sweetie. Oh my gosh, they're so small. Here you go, little one. Find some milk. Come on, guys, crawl up there, crawl up there. Hi, baby girl. Would you like some cuddles? Come here. There you go. Oh, you're somersaulting. Good girl. She is so soft. Oh my goodness, she is so soft. You're hungry? Stay. Good girl. Good girl. I'll give you a little head massage, huh? There you go. You've earned it. You have earned it. Oh my goodness. Oh. You're a good girl. You are a very good girl. You guys hungries? Alright, Ro. Thanks for letting me visit your puppies. They are gorgeous. They're only 3 days old. How incredible is that? About the size of my hand. Alright guys, well thanks for hanging out. It's a pleasure as always. Can't wait to see you guys grow up. Enjoy your meal, enjoy your naps. Thanks for watching everybody. We look forward to seeing you in the next episode.